How to change name in Telegram group. If you have been using the Telegram application and want to read on how to change the group name, don't worry. In this video, I will show you how to do it. So let's get started. First of all, open the Telegram application. Just like this. After opening it, you will find something like this, which are the chats. Now to change the group name, simply tap onto the group. Just like this. After that, here you can find the group profile icon at the top. Just right here, select it. Then tap on to edit. Just right here at the top, select it. Then here you can find the group name right here. Now to change it, simply tap on it and remove this name and simply add a new name. Just like this. You can also add the emojis just like this and tap on to done. Now you can see the name of the group has been changed. And that's it. This is how you can change the name in the Telegram group. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.